Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Sitasha Ismail with matrix number S70525. So here I will present you about germination of a common seed crops, which is that focus on kailin, which is Brassica oleracea, and also a forest pioneer species, which is Macaranga. Okay, now let's move on to the literature review. Okay, germination of kailin. Kailin is a leafy vegetable and it is a commonly cultivated. So from literature, kailin usually germinates within 7 to 14 days at a temperature between about 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. It has a high germination rate and does not require any special treatment. Okay, next is the germination of Macaranga. Macaranga is a forest pioneer tree, which is that's not like a kailin, which is the Macaranga seeds have a hard seed coats and a strong dormancy. So without the treatments, the germination percentage is a very low. However, the methods such as mechanical sacrification or chemical treatments can increase the germination up to more than 70%. Okay, next is methodology. So here we have provide the petri dish, filter paper, kailin, Macaranga, polybag, and soil, and also a daily watering. Okay, so for kailin, the seeds are sown directly on moist soil and keep under a suitable temperature, and the germination is recorded daily for about 2 weeks. For Macaranga, the seeds are first treated using a sacrification or chemical before being placed on compost or soil medium, and the germination is recorded until the radicle appears. Okay, for the result here, the kailin show a fast and high germination and usually within 10 days. Macaranga, without the treatment, they shows a very low germination. And after the treatment, the germination rate increases significantly and the seeds germinate faster. Okay, next, let's move on to the discussion. So, the results show that the cultivated crops like kailins are adapted for easy germination. On the other hand, forest species like Macaranga, they require dormancy breaking treatments. So, this difference is important when doing a planting for agriculture or forest restorations. In conclusion, kailin germination germinates easily with a high success rate, while Macaranga requires a pre-treatment to achieve a good germination. Understanding seed dormancy is very important in a plant science. Okay, next for the reflection, the study on the germination of Macaranga and kailin, which is Brassica oleracea species, taught me that different plant species need a somewhat different methods to start the germination. Under the right temperature and moisture circumstance, kailin, a cultivated vegetable crop, germinate quickly and readily, demonstrating that the domesticated plants are typically designed for high and uniform germination. Macaranga seeds, on the other hand, they display a strong dormancy characteristic. Untreated seeds germinated relatively little, while pre-treatments such chemical stimulation or mechanical scarifications greatly improve the germination percentage. This demonstrates how crucial it is to comprehend the mechanism underlying seed dormancy and the necessity of using a suitable pre-treatment when working with a wild or forest tree species. Overall, this experiment highlights the significance of meticulous methodology in plant science investigations and helped me better understand how environmental conditions, seed structure, and treatment techniques interact to influence the seed germinations. Okay, here is the list of my reference for this study, and that's all from me. Thank you.